Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. My name is Muhammad Ijul Islam Bende. My register number is 04DEP21F1031 and I'm from DEP 1B.
My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Mawardi. My registration number is 04DEP21F1052 and I am from DEP 1B.
Our assignment is students in group of 2 persons are required to observe the installation of underground fiber optic cable work for repetitive time for long-use works. Based on your assessment, observation and interview, present your finding about workplace environment and ergonomic by referring to the items below. Question A. Identify level of workplace environment and ergonomics. Firstly, what is workplace environment? A work environment is the setting, social features and physical condition in which you perform your job. This element can impact feelings of well-being, workplace relationships, collaboration, efficiency and employee health. For the installation of underground fiber optic cable work, the level of workplace environment is physical environment and occupational health and safety. A healthy workplace environment also involves the physical environment of the office or workshop and the occupational health and safety of your employees. Reduce the worry of your employees by looking into the safety of the workplace. Simple things such as ensuring that all electric cables are covered or taped down with cable tray to prevent employees from tripping over them are one of the issues which your employees should not be worried about. Nobody wants to sit underneath a cracked ceiling, so allow your employees to come to a safe workplace environment. Ergonomic. There are 3 types of ergonomic: physical, cognitive, and organizational. Each of these contributes not to only organizational success but also to worker satisfaction and the bottom line. For the installation of underground fiber optic cable work, the level of workplace environment is physical ergonomics. What is physical ergonomy? Physical ergonomy is the most commonly known form of ergonomics, and for good reason. It deals with the physical load on the human body when performing activities. Economic physical ergonomy and how to integrate it heavily influence on-site safety. As work instructions are designed, it is important to limit this risk by understanding who will be using the instructions. The Ergonomic System Association ESA identifies some of the different needs for workstation construction based on the worker's specific needs and the materials or items they are working on. Question B. Relate your finding with OSHA rules and legislation. This is the section that we get from the OSHA rules. Legislation, where employers and employees must cooperate to take care, nurture and to increase the quality of occupational safety and health at the workplace. Without cooperation between employers and employees, none of the occupational safety and health programs carried out would succeed. Question C. Do the highlight for using projector for repetitive time on environment and ergonomics. This is our research for highlight report. Question D. Describe your views and comments on safe work practice in order to maintain healthy and safe work environment and ergonomics. My view and comment on safe work practice in order to maintain healthy and safe work environment and ergonomy is: ensure you maintain proper checks on the field emergency response system of your company, organization, job site or workplace. It is essential to maintain regular checks on how well your existing system will respond in an emergency. There are several investments when it comes to safety technology geared towards keeping workplace safe. Tap into this trend and ensure your company and employees get maximum protection. Equipment inspection. Periodically inspecting the equipment used by workers is another factor companies must consider in a workplace safety review. Firms need to review worker safety at all times, and proper equipment maintenance significantly enhance productivity. Review. Continuing with your workplace safety review, these are the areas of safety prevention and safety procedure that should be covered next. Level of understanding safety assessment. Workplace safety assessment is essential, particularly on the employee's part. Consider periodic reviews of your employees' grasp of safety training. Conduct safety training on an ongoing basis, both as needed and regularly scheduled. The best way to ensure your employees get complete knowledge of all guidelines is through safety training and retraining. PPE awareness. The essence of personal protective equipment should never get understated. Consider getting your employees practicals on the massive essence of PPE in worker safety. Such reviews ensure your employees imbibe best safety and practice during work hours. Question E. Recommend for improvement. For improvement, I recommend to use the correct tools and materials. This is the recommendation tools and material for improvement in installation underground fiber optic cable. Next is secured materials and equipment. And this is underground standard fiber optic cable placing. Question F. Photograph. This is the example photograph of installation fiber optic cable work. That's all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation.